Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. And today I'm out here roaming around this beautiful wilderness known as Cypress Creek Reserve located in Pasco County. Today it's a preserve, but long ago people had homesteads and farms in these areas. And I'm out here exploring the wilderness to see what traces from the past I can discover. So let's take a journey into the wilderness here and see what we can find. Back in this area of the woods is remains of an old homestead site. Seeing some evidence from the structure that once stood here. You can see a lot of blocks and bricks scattered around the area. As I'm roaming around the site here, I'm seeing a lot of these citrus trees that were planted long ago. A lot of metal debris laying around the area. Traces from the past here. This is very interesting. Take a look at this. There's an old record player. Part of it, at least. Some of the old fence posts surround the site. This beautiful wilderness. Now, when the homestead existed out here, this area would have looked a lot different. Would have been cleared out. Today, nature has reclaimed this area. Making my way further back into the woods here in search of another homestead site that once existed out here. Well, there's kind of a clearing here in this part of the woods. Been hiking around out here for a while now, and I think I've made it close to where the old site used to be. And over here on the ground, I'm seeing some remains scattered around the area. Seeing some more traces from the past over here. Looks like part of an old barrel or something like that. Some more remains around the site. Some really cool bottles laying around the area. This is a nice cup here. Well, I roamed around the woods out here exploring some of the interesting history and traces from the past that could be seen. And besides doing all that, I just enjoy being out in the wilderness. And it's so refreshing, and I enjoy the opportunity to be able to share with all of you. I truly value these places. To me, this is the natural Florida, the real Florida. And places like this are disappearing all the time because of development and just the population growth here in the state. So I cherish these areas while we still have them, and that's part of the reason why I do these videos, to help share them with everyone and capture them for future generations to be able to experience and learn about as well. So I do hope you enjoy them, and I appreciate everyone watching and the support over the years. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my ongoing adventures weekly at youtube.com/FL Trailblazer. Again, thank you very much, and take care, everyone.